Well, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now right here in front of me I've got the Apple Watch Series 6 Graphite stainless steel. Let's get it unboxed. So without further ado, as you can see, you've got watch etched into the front of the box right there. On the back, as you can see, it's graphite, stainless steel case, a black sport band, and it's 44mm. Let's pull the tab and let's get this unboxed. Apple makes such a good unboxing experience, they really do. Can't fault them at all. Let's jump into it, let's see what we've got. So the box, as I say, Apple Watch, Apple sign and then watch etched into the box. Two pull tabs either side. Let's click one and then let's click the other. That one has gone very wrong very quickly. Let's open it out. Okay, so let's move these to the side. And then what you've got here is, oh, I've ruined that, but never mind. So you got the new bands, the Apple Watch, all inside the box. So let's throw that away to one side and let's see what else we've got here. So in this one, you've got the Apple Watch. In this one, you've got the black sport band. I don't suppose I need to show you this because at the end of the day, it is just a black sport band. I've already got one of these, but I have also got the Nike band. Not too sure which one I'm going to be throwing on it just yet, as I'm probably looking at the solo loop, but that will be a separate video on its own. This is just the unboxing of the Apple Watch. So we'll throw that to one side, and by the looks of it, this just slides off like so. So inside this bit you've got your normal leaflet and stuff about your quick start and how you charge with your puck and your warranty information. Designed by Apple in California. So there's that, throw that to one side. Then as you can see, there's no power brick now, just a charging puck, normal USB. I've already got one. Don't feel the need to unbox this one just yet, as I've already got one of these, and I've also got the USB-C one that goes into the computer or the iPad. So throw that to one side. Well, then again, I'll put that back in the box. And then just on this side right here, we've got the Apple Watch stainless steel in graphite. Let's take it out of its little pouch. Let's get it all fingerprinty. Okay, and slides out. There we go. There's the new back with the blood oxygen levels and stuff like that. Turning it around to the front, it's now got a little tiny screen protector on it. I may keep that on just for now. I have got another video coming with the Spigen screen protector and how you go about fitting it, so I may just keep that on just for now. But let's boot it up. And there we go. So while that's doing that, I will put that down to one side, like so. I'm actually going to show you the sport band. I've decided I'm going to do it because why not? That's why we're here at the end of the day. It's a full unboxing experience. Okay, so there we go. Take it out the packaging. Just a nice little pull tab for you to pull it out. Black Apple Watch sign. And then you open it out. And there is your black sport band. So you got the small and the medium. And then you got the medium to large. That's just normal, as you know. How you go about fitting it and stuff like that. And that's just general information, so we don't need to worry about that, do we? Right, okay, so now as you can see, it's now setting itself up. So we're going to place this down while it does it, and I'll be back in a second. I have set it up as a new Apple Watch. It goes on my left wrist, but I've set it up as a brand new Apple Watch. So we'll be back in a sec, and I'll show you it when it's all fully working with some watch faces. Right, okay, so it's all set up now, as you can see. So if we swipe down, there's all the notifications. Still need to set up a few things. I've still got the screen protector on. I have just ordered the Spigen ones. Now this is the cellular version, so I could leave my phone at home and use this. It will have a new band on it. It will have a new watch face, and it'll have a few new other bits when I show it off in another video that'll be going live in a couple of days on a sort of how I've got it set up video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. If you bought a new Apple Watch, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know your favourite apps I should be checking out. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you loved it, subs up. Turn those notifications on, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you all in the next one. Take care.